Are you looking for an easier and more cost-effective way to train employees at your airport? Then check out Digicast, a web-based system that delivers on-demand training in all aspects of airport operations. Through a simple internet connection, your employees can access the video training library 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Training areas such as Part 139 required modules, operations, environmental, and ARF. Key security topics like SITA procedures, plus courses on airfield safety, FAA airport self-inspections, customer service, and more. Digicast reduces your administrative training costs by automatically tracking and logging employee training records in the system. Training your employees has never been easier. Contact us today for your free Digicast trial.